Polishing. Here we will make our animation beautiful. I will remove that ruler because I don't need it anymore. Let's start by adding a background. So you can right click here, new, solid. Choose a color for your background and OK. Take the layer and bring it to the back here. The other way is you can use a pre-made background. In that case, I've prepared a background for that animation. So I will delete that one. And if you want, you can use it too. Right click here, import file. Go to the project assets folder, and in the background assets, you can find the background and import. Now the background is right here, and I will take it and I will drag it down here. Now the animation is looking 10 times cooler. What do you think? Okay, the background is ready. Now let's create a little shadow down here to give us a sense where the ground is. I will zoom in a little bit and make sure none of these layers is selected. So again, take the pen tool and create a little stroke down here. I will lock here the background layer and let's rename that shape layer shadow and bring it down right above the background layer. So let's adjust the shadow now. Go to shadow, contents, shape and stroke. First change the color to black. Select the stroke width to 22, I think it's okay. The line cap, make it to a round cap, and the opacity, change it to a 20%. Now let's animate it. Select the first frame and go to path and select the path. Create a keyframe. At this frame the shadow should be longer, so I will adjust it that way. And hold shift to keep it straight. Now in the center frame, back, I will make it shorter. Go to marker 1 here, and here I will make it even shorter, like this. And now basically I will take that marker 1 frame and I will copy it to marker 2. And I will take the first frame and I will copy it to the last frame to close the loop. Let's add easing now. Mark the keyframes, go to animation, keyframe assistant, easy ease. And it's awesome. Now finally, let's create the blinking. Go to eyes layer and somewhere in the middle, create the first frame. Here I will write 1 for the first frame, move the time indicator 1 frame further, and here I will write 2, here I will write 3, further again, and here I will write 0, 0 to bring it back. Now mark the frames, hold Alt and drag the last frame further to make it slower. And now it's great. But can you notice where is the problem? Is that the girl is blinking too often. So let's make the work area here double the size. Basically extend the composition. So let's create the same markers as this one here. Now zoom to the end here. And let's start with the first marker. Skip 4 frames. 1, 2, 3, 4. And I will call it 1. To copy this one here. So again, skip 4 frames further. And I will call that back. Okay. Now again, skip 4 frames further. This one is 2. And the last frame, here, I will call it front again, because this is the same as the first one. So basically now you see that we've created the same work area double the size. So let's take the work area here and bring it to the last frame, like this. Now press U to see all of our frames. And basically copy all of them and paste them to fit the end of the composition. All for them without eyes. Okay, let's start first with the front here. copy the front here, and from the last frame, Ctrl and V to paste them. Now, again, copy all of the frames here, go to the last frame, Ctrl and V, paste them. Front arm, again, from the last frame, Ctrl and V, I will paste them. Do that for all of the frames. Now it's a lot better. The character is 100% finished. And I'm very happy how this turned out. Hope you like it too. In the next video, we will see how to render the animation.